Just a day after the chilling death of Bihari youth Rahul Raj at the hands of Mumbai police, Bal Thackeray has lauded the actions of the Mumbai police. In fact, he has also displayed no sympathy but instead reaffirmed his faith in the cohesive force of the Mumbai police. Now, the front page of Samna reads something like this, and I quote, that Rahul Raj was a Bihari mafia, unquote. He was gunned down in Bihari style and police of Maharashtra had displayed their valor, unquote. And this is what the mouthpiece of Raj Thackeray's party, Samna, had to. Pressure clearly meanwhile is mounting on Maharashtra Chief Minister Vilas Rao Deshmukh as the encounter of Rahul Raj kicks up a new storm. The state government has ordered a probe into the shootout, but leaders from Bihar are far from satisfied. From Lalu to Nitish Kumar to Ram Vilas Paswan, they've all been, just joining hands to denounce the killing of Rahul, and they've also been demanding tough action against the Mumbai police.
A gun-toting Rahul Raj, allegedly trying to hijack a bus bus. The response from Mumbai police this time was prompt. The drama was over within minutes. Rahul was shot dead. Mumbai police may argue that this was a justified reaction, but political leaders from Bihar feel that the youth was killed in cold blood.
ये वहां की पुलिस ने मुर्गी पर तोप छोड़ा है। उस लड़के को ओवरपावर किया जा सकता था, और अगर उसके हाथ में रिवॉल्वर था तो उसके हाथ को टारगेट करके वो कर सकते थे कुछ, लेकिन उसको शूट करने लायक ऐसा दिखता नहीं है कि इस प्रकार की परिस्थिति थी।
गिरफ्तार किया जाना चाहिए था और उस बच्चा को गिरफ्तार न करके ब्रूटल मर्डर है, ये हत्या है, उस नौजवान का हत्या है।
जो एमएनएस है या मान लेते हैं कि शिवसेना है, बाल ठाकरे है, इनके ऊपर में प्रतिबंध लगना चाहिए, नंबर 1। नंबर 2 ये हुआ कि जो राज्य सरकार की कार्रवाई अभी तक हुई है, वो राज्य सरकार की कार्रवाई जो है वो ठीक नहीं हुआ है।
Leaders from Bihar insist Raj's shooting was part of the campaign against North Indians, but Maharashtra's political leaders feel the police action was justified.
पुलिस ने उचित कार्रवाई की है। जो कानून अपने हाथ में लेगा और लोगों को डराने की कोशिश करेगा, उसे गोली से जवाब मिलेगा। पुलिस ने अपना कर्तव्य ठीक ढंग से निभाया है।
So, are we headed towards another ugly battle between Bihar and Maharashtra? The center is worried. Prime Minister Manmohan Singh yesterday met an all-party delegation from Bihar. Minutes after the meeting, he called up Maharashtra Chief Minister Vilas Rao Deshmukh and told him all necessary steps should be taken to ensure the safety of various sections of the society. With elections round the corner, the Congress central leadership cannot afford to antagonize its allies.
With the Prime Minister intervening, Maharashtra Chief Minister Vilas Rao Deshmukh is under tremendous pressure, not only from the opposition but also from the UP allies to deliver and deliver fast.